Hi there, so today I'm going to teach you how to complete a BoomCard set. You will always get a hyperlink directly to the actual set that you're going to be needing to complete that day. So all you have to do to access that link is pull up the doc that I share with you, and once that's pulled up, you look for the BoomCard hyperlink and you will click it right here, and it will ask you to sign in. So you'll hit sign in, and then all of you will hit sign in with Google, and you will click on your student email account. Okay, but for today, I have to sign in with this because it won't let me sign in as a teacher. So then once you've logged in with Google, it'll say, is this you? And you'll say, yeah, of course, that's me. And then you'll hit play, right? Now, before we get started, this top left corner right here tells you how many BoomCards are in the set. So you have 20 to complete the whole set. All right, over here, you can look at an overview of the cards. Okay, it tells you what's coming up. You can click it again if you want to see the big thing. This one right here, if you want to skip it for now, just click it, and then you can hit skip, right? And then when you go to the overview, it should remind you, it should remind you at the very end, right? So if you hit skip, you can always go back to it, and that'll be on there. So the first kind of question is a fill in the blank. And what you do is it says write the number as a decimal in standard form, 1/10 plus 700. So 0 700ths, and then write a decimal. So what you do is you have to make sure that your cursor, you need to click in that box. Once it's blinking, you can start typing. And make sure you don't type anything else other than the answer in that little box. Once you're done typing your answer, you can hit submit or you can hit enter, and it'll say bing like that if it's correct. If it's wrong, it'll make another noise. But here's another example of a fill in the blank. This right here is a click and drag question. Okay, so here are our answer choices over here, and then this is where we are dragging them to. So match the equivalent decimals. So I will click it and drag it over. Click and drag, click and drag. And again, when I'm done, I can either hit submit or I can hit enter. Right? Now, I've only completed 2 BoomCards, so I still have 18 left. So even though I skipped those earlier, that doesn't mean I get out of doing them. I still have to complete them to complete the set. All right, so here's another fill in the blank. I'm not going to show you those. There's another drag and drop. This one right here is a multiple choice. It says select 3 cards that represent the same number. So this is a multiple choice, multiple select kind of question. So I have to select 3. So they represent the same number. Okay. So then once I've selected 3, I can hit submit, and it'll do that. Now, let's look and see. It makes a different noise when you get the answer incorrect. So let me just try that real quick. So I know that those 3 aren't the same. And so I'll hit submit, and it makes that noise. It says whoops. And so as you can see, it circles the one that you got correct if it's a multiple select answer. But then it also X's out the ones that you got incorrect. Now, if you get to a question and you want to retry it, awesome. Go ahead and you can retry it until you get it correct. Or if you get to a question and you don't know it and you've spent time doing it, then you can hit give up. Surrender to this card, you hit OK. That means it counts the card wrong, but you can continue moving through the set. All right. So again, this is fill in the blank. You know how to do that. This right here is typing, same thing. Typing, drag and drop, typing. And I think those are all of them. Oh, here's one where it's just a selection of one answer choice. So you just select one answer choice this time, and those automatically grade themselves, so you don't have to hit submit. All right, so that's one thing that you do need to be careful of on those. Oh, I think I skipped too many. Is one thing you need to be careful about on those is the second that you click one, it'll count it correct or incorrect. So if it's just selecting one answer choice, you only get the second you click it, it'll grade it. So be careful on what you're grading. So this one is all right. So yeah, then I skipped all the other boom cards, and so as you can see, after I did the ones that I knew, I came back to the beginning and have to complete those. So that's how you complete a boom card set. Once you complete the boom card set, it'll say you made it to the end of this deck. Would you like to try it again? And you don't have to, but you can. But again, it will notify you when you are done at the end of the boom card set. So I hope that helps you all understand how to complete a boom card set.